If your Whirlpool electric range is not heating evenly, taking longer than usual to cook, or the surface element isn't working at all, the dual element could be the culprit. I'm William with AppliancePartsPros.com, and today I guide you through testing and replacing it. Don't worry if this is your first time working on appliances. It's easier than you might think. Let's get started. With over 2 million products in stock and the know-how to help you do it yourself, we are AppliancePartsPros.com. Let's start by gathering the tools we'll need for this project. For today's work, we'll need a multimeter, a Phillips screwdriver, and a pair of pliers. Also, please remember that safety comes first. Don't forget to unplug your electric range or turn the breaker off. With the power safely disconnected, we're ready to dive into the troubleshooting process. Grab a Phillips screwdriver and remove the 2 screws securing the terminal block cover. Slide the cover down and off, then set it aside. Next, remove the Phillips screws from the back cover. You can leave one screw loosely in place in the slotted cutout to help hold the panel while removing the others. Once the remaining screws are out, lift the panel off and set it aside. Plug the power cord back in. Extreme care should always be taken when working around live voltage, since it can result in serious injury. If you're not comfortable testing live power with a multimeter, do not continue. Set your multimeter to volts AC, indicated by a V with a squiggly line. Place one probe on the black wire at terminal L1 and the other probe on the red wire at terminal L2. You should see about 240 volts AC. Now rotate the burner control switch to the dual high setting. Place one probe on the orange wire at terminal H2 and the other probe on the orange wire with a black stripe at terminal H1A. Repeat the test between H2 and the orange wire with a white stripe at terminal H1B. You should see 240 volts AC at each point. If either reading is missing, the infinite switch has failed. One of the best tools that you can have in your toolbox is a multimeter, and we'd love to show you how this device works and how you can benefit from using it. Check out the video in the description. If voltage is present at each testing point of the infinite switch, like we see here, the dual element has failed. Unplug the power cord. Using a Phillips screwdriver, remove the 2 screws at the front and bottom of the glass cooktop. Lift the front of the glass top, pull it forward, and set it aside. Next, remove the element from the base. Turn the element around so you can see the terminal markings. Note the label for each wire position before disconnecting anything. For example, the orange wire attached to terminal 2A on this element will connect to the terminal labeled 2A on the new element. Follow this process for each wire so the new element is wired exactly the same. Once the wire positions are confirmed, disconnect the wires from the old element. Here's the old dual element and here's the new one. If you've already got one, great. If not, you can pick one up at AppliancePartsPros.com. Switch the mounting tabs from the old element to the new one, making sure they are positioned in the same location points. Set the element back onto the base and push it down firmly into place. Connect the wires to the new element according to the terminal labels you noted earlier. Reattach the glass top with the Phillips screws you removed earlier. Then secure the back panel and finally the terminal block cover. Plug the power cord back in. Great job on fixing your Whirlpool cooktop. We hope the troubleshooting tips and step-by-step guide made the repair process smooth and straightforward. We'd love to hear about your experience. Feel free to share how your repair went in the comments below. If you need any replacement parts, don't forget you can order directly from AppliancePartsPros.com. Most orders arrive within just a few days to get your appliance back in action quickly. Thanks for trusting us to guide you, and we look forward to helping you with your next do-it-yourself project.